I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Hello everyone, I am back. I'm back to make another delicious recipe for you. It's been a while, I know it has, but you know y'all, things happen in life and you have to take a break. And then you have to come back. Okay, well now I am back. And today I am going to make for you Chicken Alfredo Bake. Easy Chicken Alfredo Bake. This stuff is so good, y'all. Haven't made it in a while, but every time I make it, it's still delicious. You're gonna love this for your family. It might be your favorite family recipe from now on. We're gonna start off using, at least I am going to start off using some penne pasta. Okay, I'm gonna put this whole 1 pound box. Okay, and you're gonna cook this the way that the directions tells you to cook it on the box. Okay, I hope y'all know how to cook pasta. Hope I ain't gotta tell you that too. And I'm going to use 1/4 cup of Italian style breadcrumbs. Italian style, 1/4 cup. Make sure it say Italian style. Any brand should do. And then I'm going to use some vegetable oil, but I don't show it. I'm going to use like 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And we got some white chicken breasts. You're going to drain this. You're going to use 2 cans, 2 12.5 ounce cans of white chicken breasts. I'm pretty sure other brands are good too. This is Swanson. And we're going to use the all-time favorite that little kids love to eat. Well, some little kids do. You know, if you put butter and sugar in it, they love it. Sweet peas. We're going to use some sweet peas. We're going to use 1 can, 15 ounce cans. Some of y'all call it English peas. Well, whatever. This is what you're going to use. And we're going to use a whole jar, 1 whole jar, and this is a 1 pound jar of Prego Alfredo sauce, Homestyle Alfredo sauce. Okay, Prego. Now, I don't know about them other brands. I don't know, so I can't tell you about those. I just can't. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You can use less if you like, or you don't have to use garlic powder at all. It's up to you, but I love McCormick. I can't guarantee those other brands. I just can't do it. All right. I'm going to use a teaspoon of Complete Seasoning Sazon by Badia, or any type of complete seasoning. I'm pretty sure it's good. And I'm going to use some salt if I need it. Salt and pepper. Well, I am going to use pepper. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of pepper here. Okay. And salt if needed. You got to taste it, y'all. You got to taste it. And I'm either going to use 1.5 bag of the mozzarella cheese, whole milk. Okay. This is an 8 ounce bag, which makes 2 cups. So it's up to you how cheesy you like your Alfredo bake, chicken bake. All right, let's get it started. You got to boil some water, y'all. You got to boil water for this pasta. And don't forget to cook it the way that the box tells you to cook it. All right? Cook it first, boiling, for the new people who don't know any better, who really don't know how to cook. You're going to boil the water first. Then you're going to put this in here. Okay? And you're going to also drain. You're going to drain the water off the chicken. And you're going to drain the water off the peas. This is for the people who don't know no better. Okay? The people who don't really know how to cook. I'm just telling you right now. Pay attention. You're in cooking class. All right, my water is boiling. I'm going to add me some salt because I don't like bland noodles. I just don't like it. And I am using some sea salt. Okay? It's better for you than that regular salt. At least that's what I was told. I don't know, because you know people lie all the time. I don't know, so let's see. Then I'm going to put my pasta into here. Okay? Some people put oil in there. If you want to, you can, but I don't ever have a problem. All right? And then you're going to start letting it boil. And I think it's going to boil by my box for at least 11 minutes. That's what it said. But come back every now and then and poke it to make sure nothing is sticking together. All right? Also, I forgot to tell you, while this is cooking, set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. Okay, now you're gonna put your penne pasta, penne pasta, put it on in there. Then you're gonna start adding everything. Your shredded chicken breast, your canned chicken, Make sure you drain it now. Drain it. Whew. Look at me, I'm clumsy. I'm clumsy. 2 cans. You're gonna put your peas in there. Drained peas. If I can just get rid of this cat. It's getting on my nerves. She smelled me cooking. Ugh. I can't even open this. Okay, I got the jar open. My hands ain't the best. When you start getting old, stuff start happening to you. Put all of it in there. Every little bit, every drop. You don't want to miss nothing out of that. Nothing. You know, stuff costs too much now to be wasting. I don't like to waste. I really don't. All right. Now I'm going to stir it around. Stir it around before I throw my seasonings in there. Mix it well. Ooh, it smells good already, y'all. Ooh, look at that chicken. Now I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese. You can add this whole bag, or you can add half the bag. Just basically put in there how much you want. Some people like stuff cheesy. It's up to you. But you'll know once you stir it around. So let me stir it around, see if I have enough. This might be enough for me. I might save a little bit for the top. Now I'm going to add my tablespoon of garlic powder. Like I said, you can leave it out if you don't like garlic powder in there. So you ain't got to put a whole tablespoon. You can put a teaspoon. Whatever you like. I think it's going to turn out great. But just make sure you mix it very well. Okay? Don't be chopping in the middle like that. Go to the sides and fold it over. Okay? Alright, that's how you're going to do it. I'm going to put my pepper in there because I like pepper. That's 1/4 of pepper. Ooh, that look like a lot. No, it's not a lot of pepper. It's not. Just look that way. It's not, okay? It's not. And I'm going to put my teaspoon. I'm going to start off with a 1/2 teaspoon. Now, you know that y'all can taste this, right? You can taste it and see. Just dab your finger on there and see if it needs salt for you, for your liking, for your taste, okay? I'm not going to tell you to add salt in there because a lot of people don't like salt. They don't, so it's up to you. I don't want y'all saying, girl, that's too much salt. Well, it's up to you if you want to add it, all right? I'm going to need all this complete seasoning. Okay, that's for my liking. My liking. I did sprinkle me some sea salt in there. Not much, just a little bit, and I kept tasting. That's what you need to do whenever you're adding salt. Keep tasting. Make sure it's a, you know, the amount that you want. Don't be shaking a whole lot on it. Just a little bit at a time, a little bit. I put a little water in this just so I can get the rest of that out of there. Like I said, I don't leave nothing. Shake it up, pour it over there. It'll be all right. I'm making a big mess. It's not gonna be soupy. It's not. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. I'm gonna use some canola oil cooking spray, because I don't want it to stick. This is a 13 by 9 inch. Okay, 13 by 9 inch. Spread good, sides too. I'm gonna put everything in here. 13 by 9 inch. Make sure you got a big enough casserole dish, a pan, or whatever you're using. Okay. Looks like it makes more than 8 servings. I don't know. The recipe said 8 servings, y'all. It's been a long time since I did this recipe. Okay. See, you need a deep one too. See how deep that is? You don't want one of them thin ones, okay? Those thin casserole dishes. You don't want a thin one. You don't. Get that off that spoon. My fingers, they clean, so shut up down there in the comment section. Be quiet. My finger, all right? My food. I'm about to freeze some of this for myself. Now, this is the 1/4 cup of Italian style breadcrumbs. I'm supposed to pour the oil in here, mix it together, stir it up. I'm gonna pour it on top. Keep mixing till you get it crumbly, I guess, you know, so it can fall on top. Crumble, 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 crumble. I do have a little cheese left. You can put that on top if you like also, but I don't think I need it. It's up to you if you want to add extra cheese on top. You can do that. You can. See how that's crumbly? See that? Do you see it? How it falls off? Do you see? Make sure you use a fork, okay? Not a spoon. fork. Crumbly. Since I do have a little cheese left, I will sprinkle some on top. I'll go ahead and sprinkle. Ain't no need of wasting no food. I don't eat mozzarella cheese that much, so I might as well put it on here. Might as well. It's gonna be really good, okay? Let me know how y'all like it when you make it. Be sure to put it down there. Make sure you share this recipe with some people, all right? Share my recipes. I want y'all to do that for me. Do it for me. Right now, you're gonna sprinkle this on top. I'm trying to get it evenly. Forget the fork. Let's do it old-fashioned style. You know, hands. They clean. Some people's hands ain't clean. They got dirty fingernails. I don't. I don't have dirty fingernails. I don't, y'all. Ooh. This breadcrumb gonna even make it taste better. Let me know if y'all made this before. If you have a recipe. Easy Chicken Alfredo Bake. Let me know. You know, people do different things to recipes, and I like to try different stuff. Y'all need to send me some recipes to try, okay? Nothing too expensive, okay? Stuff costs too much. Something that's easy. People nowadays don't have money, so they need an easy recipe. So send me something that's easy to make, something simple. I know I may have to add to it, you know, but that's okay. Sometimes, you know, seeing other people's recipes, you learn from their mistakes, and you learn from your mistakes. All right. Now it's going in the oven at 400 degrees. Oh, let me see. I'm gonna cook it for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna cover it up. Cook about 30 minutes, then I'm gonna uncover it for about 10 minutes. All right. Make sure y'all put it on the middle rack. Don't put it down too low. You don't want to burn the bottom. You don't. Okay. I'm gonna try. First, I'm gonna look at it 20 minutes into it. Check it out. Then, if I need to take top off, I will. But 30 minutes really. Then take the top off for 10 minutes. All right. Let's check it out. It's been 30 minutes. Okay. Take the top off. Now I'm gonna let this brown on top. Look golden brown. Just remember though, ovens may vary. Your oven may not be like mine, okay? But when it gets brown, then it's ready. Not black, not dark brown, but just slightly brown. Ooh, I think it's ready, y'all. I think it's ready. Ooh, wee. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Oh, my goodness. Look how delicious that looks. Your family is gonna really love you for this one. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to remember, all the ingredients I use is in the description box. So until next time, y'all, I'm about to get down.